Are you ready to become the best version of yourself in 2025? This is your ultimate guide to glowing up inside and out. From mastering your mindset to perfecting your skincare routine, body care, and fashion sense, we've got you covered. So relax and let's start this exciting journey together. Having the right mindset. First things first, the glow up starts in your mind. Having the right mindset is everything. 1. Set clear goals. Visualize the person you want to become by the end of 2025. Write it down. Whether it's confidence, career success, or self-love, being clear about your goals is the key to achieving them. 2. Practice gratitude. Start each morning by listing 3 things you're grateful for. Gratitude shifts your focus from what's lacking to the abundance in your life. 3. Positive affirmations. Speak life into yourself daily. Say things like, I am confident, I am beautiful, I am capable of achieving my dreams. Words are powerful. Take action. Consistency is your best friend. Remember, small daily steps lead to big results over time. Skincare. Now let's talk about skin. Glowing, healthy skin is the ultimate confidence booster. 1. Know your skin type. Is it oily, dry, combination, or sensitive? Understanding this helps you choose the right products. 2. Cleanse like a pro. Never skip cleansing. It removes dirt, oil, and makeup that clog your pores. 3. Exfoliate weekly. Use a gentle exfoliator to remove dead skin cells and reveal a fresh layer of skin. Hydrate, hydrate, hydrate. Use a moisturizer that suits your skin type, and don't forget sunscreen, even on cloudy days. 5. Glow boosters. Add serums with vitamin C or hyaluronic acid for that extra radiance. Pro tip. Make 2025 the year you finally see a dermatologist if you have persistent skin issues. Body care. 1. Shower rituals. Upgrade your routine with a body scrub once a week and a hydrating body wash daily. 2. Moisturize religiously. Apply lotion or body butter while your skin is still damp to lock in moisture. 3. Stay active. Regular exercise isn't just for fitness. It improves circulation and gives your skin that post-workout glow. 4. Hydration is key. Drink at least 2 liters of water daily. Your skin will thank you. 5. Self-care days. Pamper yourself with a relaxing bath, essential oils, or a DIY spa day. Fashion. Dress to impress yourself first. Your style is a reflection of your personality, so let's elevate it. 1. Declutter your wardrobe. Get rid of clothes that don't make you feel amazing. Keep only what sparks joy. 2. Build a capsule wardrobe. Invest in timeless basics like a good pair of jeans, neutral tops, and versatile jackets. 3. Experiment with accessories. A statement necklace, trendy sunglasses, or a bold handbag can transform any outfit. 4. Dress for your body type. Wear what flatters your figure and makes you feel confident. 5. Stay updated. Keep an eye on 2025 fashion trends, but don't follow them blindly. Make them your own. Bonus tips for a holistic glow up. 1. Nurture your relationships. Surround yourself with positive, uplifting people. Cut ties with toxic energy. 2. Invest in yourself. Learn new skills, take a class, or pick up a hobby that makes you happy. 3. Prioritize rest. Beauty sleep is real. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep every night. For mental detox, limit social media time and focus on real-life connections. Remember, glowing up isn't about perfection, it's about progress and self-love. You're already beautiful, and these tips are just here to enhance the amazing person you already are. With all this amazing tips, you already have what it takes to make 2025 the year you would glow up tremendously. Give this video a like. Share it with a friend who needs this glow up inspiration. Hit that subscribe button for more life-changing tips. Let's make 2025 your best year yet. Stay glowing, dolls, and see you in the next video.